Hi, today we have a Peugeot 308 with a 2-liter HDI engine, and there is a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. So I have connected the vehicle on the diagnostic. And when I read the fault code, I get engine speed signal. It is intermittent, it's not permanent, so the vehicle is starting, but the engine stalls sometimes, and that's why I have to replace the crankshaft position sensor. While I'm connected, I'm going to clear the fault codes. So I have to switch the ignition on, wait for 12 seconds. This is a new diagnostic tester that I have bought. It's much more better than the Delphi. So now I'm going to continue to replace the sensor, and after that I can start the engine and make some measurements. I have removed the right front wheel and I have raised the vehicle, so now we can see the crankshaft position sensor. It's this one. Now we can see that the wiring is okay, we don't have problem with the wires. So next is to open this bolt with 10mm wrench, and I can remove the sensor. I have removed the bolt, but I have to remove the crankshaft pulley so I can remove the sensor. So this means that I have to remove this plastic splash cover, and after that I'm going to remove the drive belt for the alternator and AC compressor, and I can remove the crankshaft pulley. I have removed the plastic splash cover. There are 5 plastic fast pins, 1 bolt with Torx 30 and 2 bolts here with Torx 20 and 2 bolts here with 10mm wrench. So now I need a 14mm wrench to put on the bolt here on the tensioner, so I can turn the tensioner, release the tension of the drive belt, remove the drive belt, and then with 18mm wrench I'm going to open the crankshaft pulley with impact wrench. I have removed the center bolt. It was with 22mm wrench. I have made a small mistake, mixed up with 1.6. So now I can remove the sensor. Here I have new crankshaft position sensor that I'm going to install on the vehicle. This is the part number. I have installed the crankshaft position sensor, also the crankshaft pulley. So now I need a 15mm wrench to push the tensioner and install the drive belt. And now I can return the plastic splash guard. I have installed the plastic splash guard, so now I can lower the vehicle, install the wheel, and after that I can do a test drive to check if there is any problem again. The vehicle is on the ground, so now I can start the engine, and also I can do a test drive, because when the engine was warm and then the engine would stall. So I'm going to drive the vehicle a little to see how it's going. I have been driving the vehicle for a while, so I have checked now for fault codes, and only fault code we get is from the preheating relay unit. Probably some glue plug is it's not working, but we don't have anything else about the crankshaft position sensor. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and if you are willing to help this channel, please press the super thanks button and donate €1. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.